Hello little learners, today we will learn how to draw airpods. Follow the instruction kids. Draw with me.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Perfect.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
Now
Drury
I'm
Lane?
going to draw two straight lines. Great, our one airpod is ready. Now I'm going to make my another airpod.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the
Great, our airpod's picture is ready.
Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
It's coloring time.
who lives on Drury
Green color.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Purple color. Red color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Pink
J,
color.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Great, our picture is ready. Well done kids. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.